Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer datasets using rclone for ETL pipelines step by step clearly. First, ensure you have rclone installed on your system. You can download it from the official rclone website. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. To configure rclone for your cloud storage provider, type rclone config and hit enter. Follow the prompts to create a new remote connection. Select the type of storage you're using, such as Google Drive, AWS S3, or Dropbox. Enter the required credentials, including access keys or refresh tokens. After successful setup, test the connection by running rclone ls remote_name, where remote_name is the name you assigned in the config. Verify that you can see your files listed in the output. Now, identify the source dataset you want to transfer. For example, if it's stored locally, note the full path of the dataset file. Next, determine the destination path in your remote storage where you'd like to transfer the dataset. Use the command rclone copy source_path remote_name destination_path to start the transfer. Replace source_path with the local file path and destination_path with your desired remote location. Wait for the transfer to complete, watching for any error messages in the output. Once the transfer is finished, verify its success by checking the destination in your cloud storage. To automate this process in an ETL pipeline, consider scripting the commands in a batch file or shell script. You can also schedule these scripts using cron jobs for regular updates. If your dataset is large, use rclone sync for an efficient transfer by only copying changed files. Monitor the logs generated by rclone to troubleshoot any potential issues. With these steps, you can efficiently transfer datasets using rclone for your ETL pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.